In this video, we'll do deep analysis on Gas Hero while I'm walking the dog in pitch black. Hopefully nothing happens to me. It's a Polygon project. 37 in games, 17 in collection, 13 in marketplaces. It's actually a very interesting project. Kind of looks like Clash of Clans / Rise of Kingdoms. It's a pretty cool game. It actually got on my radar from analyzing the blockchain. No marketing. Which is sad because it seems like a pretty cool game. So here is an analysis on it that I found, and there's total GMT deposited 103 mil, 76. By the way, this video is no financial advice. You probably lose all your money. Total GMT burning game 8 mil, but it's actually more. I'm not sure this calculation is. Oh yeah, here it is. It's actually going up every day by 200-300k. Total GMT in game is 3.8 mil, so there's 2 times more than the one that's burned so far, which is pretty good, pretty bullish. Total GMT burned in game here is it is relative to the total 2 GMT burned. So every time there's a big jump, we also have a more GMT that is burned. Then we have GMT in game, GMT deposited and withdrawn. Total GMT in game, GMT withdrawn. Here it is. We had big peaks on the 4th of January and 14th of January. GMT deposit, GMT commit bill. And look, daily active users is one of the most important things for games like this. Gas Hero users. There's less new users, obviously, as you can see. The graph, that's not that good. Distributed to users, total GMT reward and GMT distribution. The good thing is that we have more daily active users, but we actually have less new users. I think the marketing might not be that good, but the good thing is when someone signs up, they stay. So these are one of the first things I want to check out before I even go inside and check out the game, because mainly when I talk about games, I mostly want to invest inside the game, in game mechanics, NFTs, not that much in the token. So let's do a review. I have not seen anything else besides checking out, just opening the website in the marketplace. I also want to read the white paper, but I want to quickly browse the website. So it seems that there's a game. You have heroes, tank, damage, support. So basically 3 styles of heroes. You have an about section, you have a game section. If you click how to play, how do you play the game, set up an account, get started, setting your base, assemble your hero. Then you have a world map, adventures, and auction house. And actually, again, it looks pretty cool. Living area zoo. What? Trading and action house. To obtain various assets, players can visit the district and guild action houses and bid for items using GMT. Oh, GMT, that's really good. What? Using GMT? Let me just. Is that their native token? Let me check. Because this was one of the things I was trying to find, is what their token is, but we'll find it from the white paper, I guess. But is it the GMT? Is it this GMT right here? Steppen. Because it will be hard to compete if you have the same name. Hopefully no. So let's continue. Oh, but it looks like it is is this the same logo? Yeah, it's GMT. Isn't this a project from Steppen? Because that's a little bit weird. That's very interesting. Do you have more info on that? And I'll show you something else and what I'll be looking at in 1 second. Okay, Gas Hero common heroes. So you can sort them by rarity. You have hero weapons, you have pets, you have fragments and items. Here are the heroes. How do you mint the heroes? Award the adventures. Power can mine. Choose your strategy wisely. Each personal adventure costs 5 energy. Lose an energy, get 4 energy back. Lose an adventure, get 4 energy back. Your base vehicle, which is by the way very cool. Your base vehicle and heroes determine your daily energy. So yeah, we'll definitely need to read the white paper for this, and I'll go over it real quick right here. Overview: world, assets, combat, cycle, extra. What is cycle? Guest hero has a seasonal model. Okay. Unlike traditional games with a fixed duration for season, guest hero seasons are determined by the users, for more precisely by the elders. This chapter will roughly be described by the rules. By the way, use the link in the description down below to sign up for BINGX, because there's 2k airdrop right now, 2k in other bonuses, like 20k in bonuses in general from different exchanges, plus 16 free trading bots and BINGX GPD. So definitely check it out. Link in the description down below. No financial advice. You'll probably lose all your money. So what I want to show you, and by the way, it's really cool that you can play it on your game without just MetaMasking it. It looks sick. Elders voting, gas arc, new season. No, I don't care about that. I want to see how. So you have the introduction, story, web tree. Everything is very well done. Structure, settlement, cities, builders, combat. How do I mint? Attaining asset trading. How do I get heroes? Here it is, attaining heroes. The total number of Genesis heroes will not exceed 2084. I hope it would be cool if it was 2147 max cash on RuneScape. Before the game goes live, the game will select 960 heroes. The remaining heroes. How to obtain heroes? So you can either get the Genesis heroes outside of the game from community events. Inside the game, 500 heroes. Heroes outside the game obtained through various community activities. Inside the game, through hero capsules. So you basically have hero capsules and DNA synthesis. So we need to search for capsules. World, settlements, troops. Okay. When I go to the marketplace right here, I can actually go ahead and search for capsules. Capsule. So what items do we have? We have containers. What do they do? And they're 225 each, which is not, I mean, it's $50. Yeah, this is a very active game. How much does a hero cost? So, for example, just a random hero that I found would cost like $140. That's pretty nice, man. That's actually pretty nice. And that's for common heroes. If they die, okay, you have died, you can switch between seasons. We are in season 1. I wonder how I can actually check the market is very active. Look at this, someone bought a 1,300. This is like a $250 transaction. This is a $400 transaction. I want to see where I can find the capsules. Attaining heroes, attaining weapons and pets. Outside the game, obtain through various, obtain through blueprint, fragments and ancient fragments. That's really cool, man. Weapons and pets are only minted as a chain NFT, where they need to be put on sale in order to minimize the cost. Adding materials and items. So I want to search for capsule. So it's not here. Assets, troop, asset trading, transparency, power, income, selection, glory, no, cycle. If you guys know, please let me know after a video. I'll also search here, but guess no, capsule true passage. Okay, so here is fragment synthesis. The first option. By the way, I'll turn the car down. Can I just leave the lights on because it's pitch black? I don't want anyone sneaking up on me. You can obtain weapon fragments, blueprint fragments, and pet fragments, ancient fragments by adventuring and using the auction house. By the way, if you're wondering why am I here in the dark, I'm actually walking my ducks. It's running outside somewhere. There's like a river next to our apartment complex, and pet fragments. By adventuring and using the auction house to collect all three kinds of fragments, you basically need some DNA, a weapon, and a pet fragment. Oh no, 100 of these you get a no. I'll turn the lights on, I guess. Because the dog is barking. So 100 of hero DNA, you get obtain a normal hero, the corresponding rarity with a random code name. There is a 5% chance of a high rarity. That's pretty good. Hero death time. As mentioned earlier, the heroes in the lineup will eventually die based on time in physical world. So common heroes, 20 days. So basically when you're trading, you gotta keep in mind what is their age. In the game, hero capsules can be obtained through the action house, which can be used directly to obtain heroes. There is a small chance of obtaining Genesis hero as the limited quantity of Genesis hero decreases. The probability of getting Genesis hero from a sleeping pot gradually decreases. And the probability is the same for all the code names. The Genesis hero probability is this amount by 100. So you basically have 75%, 25%, 5%, and then on top of that you have this. Then you can also upgrade your hero. So here it is, and the levels. Then you also have the breeding when they are level 10. Each hero can mint once every 3 days, but the issue is if you're breeding, I think you're also playing in game, which means it's aging and it will die. So what we need is to find capsules. So the capsule should be somewhere around here. When we type in capsule, so come on, man, where are you? Capsule, come on. Hero. What about fragment? Guess hero fragments. So you can buy 100 for 190 bucks. And then what do you do? Activity, price history hasn't lowered the attention fragment. It's common, and you need the DNA ones though. 855 DNA and you'll be good. So 855 are for the cheap ones. Then you have the rare ones for 900, which will mean when we go to hero, and we go to rare, they're pretty expensive. Why are they so expensive? Or is it this much each? Because you need 100 normally fragments. Okay, that's 100. And then if I use these, right, I should be getting a hero, and there's a 5% chance of actually being a better hero. But then the hero, when I check it out, is actually pretty expensive. Why would that be? Because the rare heroes right now are, if we go to level 1 to level 1, not bad at all. One and two, let's say level 1 and 2, 5k each, and then you have different types of heroes, but that's pretty cheap. Maybe you need stuff in game to actually mint them, so this is something I gotta check. You also have weapons, pets, and fragments. I believe it should be somewhere in items, but I can't find it. Type based construction container. What is the container? What does the container do? Is it the capsule? What does it do? Your website. Guess hero. What is the container? Container. Okay, it's something to do with your base, so I don't care. I'll look into it a lot. I'm really pumped about this game. I can make an update. Just let me know if you're interested. If there's 10 people that mess me today, I will. I'm super interested in the game. I'll be actually looking into it right now. I can make an update in a few days, but I want to know if you're interested. But I will be investing into it. Love it, actually. No financial advice. Send a video.